Hello everyone, welcome to the second video of web dev playlist, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can use Visual Studio Code, and from the next video we are going to learn website development. So now you install Visual Studio Code. I would be telling you the link where to download Visual Studio Code in the description box. So now when you have downloaded, what you do is go open File Explorer and or anywhere in your computer, create a new folder and name it anything whatever you want. Just put the name that you remember, so I put it web dev. Now you go to Visual Studio Code and click on file and select open folder, and then after that what you are going to do is you are going to select the place where you created the folder and you are going to click on web dev, and automatically the folder would be selected here. And when you select the folder, so after that click on yes, I trust the authors. Now automatically you can close this and automatically your folder is loading. Now you're going to create three files in it: index.html, style.css, and script.js, or you can put any name, but index.html, this name should be as it is. If you put any other name, a wrong name, instead of index you put something else, then your website would not load and it would show you the directory. Now let's install the extension. So for installing the extensions, click on this button and then search for HTML boilerplate. So you can see this HTML boilerplate. So I have already installed it, so it's showing you uninstall and disable, but on your screen it would show you install or don't install. So you click on install and it would install. So you can see, let me show you how it works, as I have already installed it. Now you can see in the next video we are going to learn about HTML structure. So when you see the code, just don't be afraid that oh what it is. So we will have to create the full long HTML structure with HTML, head, style, and it would take a lot of time. So it's very time consuming. So you just, instead of typing the full long HTML structure, you just write HTML5. You can see at the last HTML5 boilerplate. You click on this and you can see automatically the HTML, the basic structure is here. You can just delete these and then you can go on with coding. Here you can see, here you have, for example, you have so long code, like I will just copy paste this only. You can see now I have very big code, which if I have to go to the top I will have to scroll a lot, but and after that if I have to go to bottom, you can see this, you can just drag, clicking on this and you can drag like this, so it would continue like this, and you can just code very well in this Visual Studio Code. Another extension is, which I have downloaded, is JS, CSS and HTML Formatter. It automatically beautifies, it gives beauty to your HTML code, and it prevents errors. There are some errors, so for example some spacing error, some closing error, some bracket closing error, so that all this JS, CSS, HTML formatter give you rid of that. You get rid of these errors. Now live server by Quick Day, you can see that it is rated 5-star and really it's very good. So now when you just code it, when you code your website, you put the title, for example reject, and in the body you put one h1 tag. So just don't be afraid that what am I coding, you are not understanding. In this video I'm not telling you how to code. In this video you are just learning about Visual Studio Code. So now in h1, for example, I put the name fun with Rajinashi. Okay, now I just right click on this and open it with live server. So now server started at port and you can see automatically it is here. Now if you split screen this, what you can see is, let me just collapse this, and now what you can see is, let me just make some edits. So before making the edits you will have to save it, then only it would go here. So in the file you can select auto save option. You can tick this auto save so that automatically it would save and everything would go smooth. So for example, I put the center code here and now I get this. Now I would just cut this code, center tag, control X, and I would put center tag here. So it is automatically saved and you can see that it is automatically updated. I have never touched control S or I have never clicked on this refresh button. Automatically it is updated. So isn't it a cool extension? So these small extensions will help you to code it faster and code it without any errors. So live server is, if I come to rate these, live server you must install, must. It's very good. Else what you will have to do is, you have to click on the file explorer, go to the desktop and open webdev and then click on index. Else there is no way to test how your website is working in this Visual Studio Code. And now if I just go to this and I remove the, for example, I remove this center tags. If I remove these, what would happen is, automatically it would not get updated even if I save it. Now I have saved it, means it is auto saved. Now I will have to refresh this, then it would update. It would never update like that. But if you go on with the live server, which you would see here, or on right clicking you will see open with live server, if you do it this way it would automatically get updated and these small tips would help you code better. I'm telling you, just these small tips would help you to code a very big website. So now let me tell you some information that you please make notes of that in a notebook or on the computer. However you want, make notes, because every time you will not open the YouTube and open the videos. You may make the notes because we forgot the code. When I was learning this, I even used to forget these codes and then I make the notes. I opened all my class summaries and I made notes of that in my notebook. So this is now, thank you, and it is done. Here you will test how you are going to code your website in Visual Studio Code. Thank you.